Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to show you this. This is the pocket kit from the great people at Northman Resilience. So this is a French company that specialises in creating really cool, really useful kits for handling medical equipment and other gear, be it in a tactical, pre-hospital, or just typical EDC daily carry situation. So what I'll do is I'll talk you through the actual kit and pretty much show you what I've stocked it with. So let's get to it. So what do I have in mind? So in this configuration, what I've got a pair of X-shears that sit in the back. I have a reflective Cyflect patch on there, but this whole front section here is made out of Velcro, so you can stick anything to that you want to. Inside I have aspirin, some compressed gauze, a pair of nitrile gloves, a SWAT, a stretch wrap and tuck tourniquet, and a CPR face shield. What you can also do is you can grab a tourniquet holder and simply attach thusly. You have an even more capable package. Okay, so here we have the actual pocket kit itself as it gets delivered to you. So as you can see, it's a really simple design, but also quite cleverly implemented. So you have a nice stretchy material here, which is really strong and nicely stitched. Then you have this length of loop Velcro, which is nice and fine, it doesn't snag or anything, and that runs the entire length. So what this does is it allows you a couple of different mounting options. So once stocked, you can fold it over like that and then slide it onto a belt or a piece of webbing or a backpack strap, which I'll demonstrate shortly. Or, like I've got it, you can then actually slide the Velcro loop up into itself, stock the contents within, and then seal it over like that. That way you can open it up, give it a quick pull, and the contents will come out nice and easy, which helps you deploy them a lot faster. Okay, so I've got it all stocked again nicely. As you can see, it is a nice compact package. Keeps everything together, nice and safe, but still in a pocketable configuration. It's all very good having all the gear at home, but if it's not with you, it's no good. As I mentioned earlier, you can get a tourniquet holder. This does hold a couple of different selections. You can check on the website for those. Currently I have a cat in there. So what you can do is you can open up the Velcro, attach it so, pull that down like that, and you can slip a pair of trauma shears in the back. That's not going anywhere. Right, I'll chuck on a backpack and show you. So hopefully you can see here I have my Rush 12 day pack here, and what I've done, I simply slid the back portion, which can mount onto a belt, onto the strap, and you have a full kit ready to go on there, which is nice and secure, not going anywhere. So there we go. That is the Northman Resilience pocket kit. So like I say, it's up to you how you want to set it up for your mission, your daily requirements, for your level of training. But I think it's a really cool system which can fit into a pocket, fit onto a plate carrier, fit onto a battle belt, whatever you need for your job or the environment that you're going to be in. So at the time of recording, this is about €13, which really isn't very much at all. They ship worldwide, they're based in France, and it's all handmade. So as always, check the description below, and you'll have a link to all of their products, things like the tourniquet holder there, or the mini med kit, which is also a really cool item as well. So thanks for watching, stay safe, check out Northman Resilience, and I'll see you soon.